Hi, I'm Prem Kumar. I'm talking about the topic of load forecasting. Load forecasting. A peak load forecasting is an important building in a unit sector as a climate change, technology development, and energy policies are causing an increase in peak demand. Accurate peak load forecasting is a critical role in preventing a blackout or loss of the energy. Types of forecasting: short time forecaster, medium forecaster, long term forecast. Next, accuracy of electrical load forecasting. The accuracy of energy consumption forecasting for a given utility does not necessarily correlate with the accuracy of its peak demand factor. In addition, several utilizations reported progressive reduction of load factor in the residential customer base. Factors for accurate forecast: weather influence, time factor, customer classes. First, weather influence. Weather influence. Although many factors combine in weather influence, four main ones are solar radiations, the amount of which changes the Earth's tilt, orbital distance from the Sun, and latitude, temperature, air pressure, and second one, time factor. The time factor is a cyclical method developed by W. Bland. The MTF is used to forecast the market by finding the historical cycle, that is repeating the market of the current time. Next, customer class. The demand classes allow you to segregate scheduled demand production into group, allowing you to track and into group this group independently. A demand class may represent a particular group of customers, such as governmental and commercial customer, or it may represent a sales channel for regions. Next, forecasting technique. There are three basic types: equalitative techniques, time series analysis and projection, and casual models. The first use qualitative data and information about special event of the kind already mentioned, and it may or may not take the past into consideration. Next, time series data. Time series data is four major components: trend, cyclical, seasonal, irregular component. First, trends. The trends is a component of time series that represented variation of low frequency in a time series. The high and medium frequency fluctuation having been filtered. Next, cyclical component. Cyclical component of a time series refer to fluctuation around the trend, including irregular component revealing a succession of pace of expansion and contraction. Next type, seasonal component. Seasonal component is a part of variation in the time series, represented intra-area inflection that are more or less stable, most are most stable year after year with respect to timing, direction, and magnitude content. The seasonal component is also referred to as the seasonality of the time series. Next, last one, irregular component. Irregular component of a time series is the residual time series after the trend cycle, and the seasonal component have been removed. It corresponds to the high frequency fluctuation of the series. Traditional approaches. The technique traditional time series and multiple regression models are the most widely considered example of traditional technique for the term load forecasting. Historical load data is considered in the former, while the relation between the load and the corresponding variation factor are analyzed in the later. Characterization of annual peak load. Peak load demand forecasting is important in a unit sector as a climate change, technology development, and energy policies. The accurate peak load forecasting is a critical role preventing a blackout or loss of the energies. Thank you.